Hi, this is Ashkan Roayee, owner of Ashkan Image. We are a commercial and fine art dance photography studio based in the heart of Houston, Texas. We are known for our dramatic lighting and use of fabrics. Here are my 5 tips on how you can capture a picture like this. Tip number 1. You want to show your subject long and tall. Take your pictures from a low angle, as low as you can go. At my studio, we use a mono stand on wheels 50 to 20 feet away from the subject. This allows us to capture our photo at the best focal point for my lens. My personal favorite lens is 70 to 200 millimeter, 2.8. We also use 50 millimeters, 1.2. But the best lens that I recommend you to go is 70 to 200, 2.8. Try it, you won't regret it. Tip number 2, try to not use a main light or key light coming from front. Your best option is top light and rim light from back. That helps to make a definition on the muscles better and make it shadows that you're looking for to make a dramatic lighting. Tip number 3, fabrics are important. Try to use the right fabric for the right session. Heavy and shiny fabrics, they reflect and catch light, giving you a very dramatic feel. For soft, fluid photos, it's best to use sheer fabrics to help mimic the movement quality. Tip number 4. Make sure your pose mood board is matching with your lighting concept. If you're going for a drama feeling, try to pick a dramatic poses that complement your lighting, just like these examples. Imagine if your model was smiling or having fun in these pictures with this lighting, it wouldn't go together. They just do not complement each other. So focus on what your dancers or subject need to do on specific lighting that you're going after. Tip number 5, larger stage is going to be your best friend. Try to avoid taking your images in small spaces or a small backdrop or anything that is not large enough to be able to frame everything in one shot. The more space you have, the more room you get to play with your fabric. Have an assistant to help you with the fabric. Talk to your subject. Plan the pose ahead of time. And do not overshoot. Overshoot kills you, kills your subject, and make your team frustrated. Thank you all so much for joining us. I hope this was useful. Try it, tag me on your pictures, and let me know what you think and if you have any questions. Follow us on Ashkan Image or Ashkan Roayee for fine art. Look out for updates about our upcoming workshops, live videos, and PDFs. Thank you again. Hope to see you guys soon.